Hello friends, welcome to AQ by IAS YouTube channel. This session is a part of our daily current affairs series. In today's session, we will discuss about MSP. So you must be wondering why I have picked the MSP for the discussion. Let me contextualize it. So recently, government announced an increase in MSP for Rabi crops. So this increase has been announced by Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs. Okay, so this increase in MSP, it has been announced for season 2022 to 23. Now you must know this Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs, it is chaired by Prime Minister. This is a very important fact. Okay, although it has been announced by Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs, but remember MSP, it is recommended by Commission on Agricultural Cost and Prices, CACP, Commission on Agricultural Cost and Prices. So do not get confused between Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs and Commission on Agricultural Cost and Prices. Okay, so why this increase has been done? What is the rationale behind it? We'll discuss that. Before that, let's try to know what MSP is. See, MSP, it is the minimum price. Remember, it is the minimum price at which government buys the grains from farmers. Okay, so it is the minimum price. Now, how do we calculate the MSP? Remember, this MSP is calculated on the fact that at least 1 point, it should be at least 1.5 times of the cost of production incurred by the farmers. Let me repeat one more time that this MSP, it is based on the calculation that MSP, it should be 1.5 times the cost of production incurred by the farmers. Now let's talk about this move. Why government has increased the MSP for Rabi crops? See, the first reason is to encourage the crop diversification. Okay, so from the prelims perspective, you must know what crop diversification is. See, if you have, let's try to understand this. Suppose you have a farm, okay, and you have been growing 5 crops. So all your resources you are directing towards these 5 crops. Now what you have decided to do is that you have decided to add 4 more crops. Okay, so now you have diverted your resources to these additional crops also. So now what is happening? Now you are getting extra money. You are making additional money now because of these extra crops. Okay, so addition of new crops to your particular farm, it is known as crop diversification. Okay, now this move, this increase, it has been done to encourage the crop diversification. Okay, so now this government move, it will ensure the remunerative prices to farmers. Okay, so from the prelims perspective, you must know what MSP is. You must know about the crop diversification. And there is one more fact, that government announces the MSPs for 23 crops. So this is another important point. And as far as the calculation of MSP is concerned, remember it should be 1.5 times the production of cost incurred by the farmers. Okay, so all these facts are important for your prelims. Anything related to agriculture is very important because we have seen in the past that UPSC has been asking questions related to agriculture, and particularly MSP is very important. And do not get confused. Let me reiterate, do not get confused between CCEA, which is Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs, and Commission on Agricultural Cost and Prices. Okay, so all these facts I wanted to discuss in today's session. If you have liked our initiative, you can subscribe our YouTube channel, and you can download the notes also. We have provided the notes regarding this news, and we provide current affairs content on our various social media platforms, so you can follow our Instagram, Facebook, and Telegram. So that's all for today's session. I'll see you in the next session soon. Bye bye. Thank you.